Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have some quick laundry motivation for you. So if you need to get some laundry done, keep on watching. Alright guys, if you are new here and you like videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and select all to be notified of when I upload all of my new videos. So today I am washing my gym clothes and the bedding from the girls' bedroom. I'm also using the Method laundry detergent and their fragrance booster. And guys, as many of you guys already know, in addition to adding fabric softener, I also like to add a little bit of distilled white vinegar to our clothes. I find that it keeps them fresh and it keeps them bright. It keeps the darks dark and they don't fade as easily. And it also keeps our clothes clean. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better. Guys, I know this was a short video, but I hope you got all of the cleaning and laundry motivation that you needed for today. I really hope you got something done. Leave all of your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You say it's special, one of a kind.